Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to create a quick in-depth review about this powerful shipping and order management tools platform called ShipStation. So in this video we're going to dive into it, help you decide if this platform is actually a good and a shipping tools platform for your business. So let's get started. So talking about ShipStation, ShipStation is a powerful shipping and order management tools designed for online sellers who want to simplify fulfillment. It integrates with major platforms like Shopify, Amazon, eBay, and WooCommerce, which make it easy to pull in order from multiple sales channels in one place. With features like automation rules, batch label printing, branded tracking, and multi-carrier shipping option, it saves a ton of time for e-commerce businesses. For high volume sellers, ShipStation delivers efficiency and a strong return on investment by streamlining the entire shipping process. On the downside of the flip side, ShipStation has become pricey, especially for smaller business, or some of the most useful features like advanced automation and API access are locked behind the higher type plan, and extra fee can add up quickly over time. Users also report slow customer report and occasional system glitches, which can be frustrating during busy period. So in conclusion, ShipStation is a great choice if you are running a growing e-commerce business and you need advanced shipping tools. But smaller sellers might find the cost and limitation a bit too steep for their liking. And that's it. Hope you find the video helpful. If you did, turn on the notification button and subscribe for more reviews.